Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to Bybit. First of all, want to go to your Binance and choose on your account right there on your profile and choose on assets. Now on the spot option, you want to go ahead and click withdraw. And from here, you want to select the coin you want to withdraw. So for example, let's choose USDT. You will need to go ahead and enter the address and choose a network. So to do this, you want to go ahead to Bybit and click deposit. Now you will go ahead and choose a cryptocurrency which you want to deposit. So let's choose the same USDT. After this, you want to choose a chain. So maybe let's choose Ethereum. And here you will see your deposit details. So here's your USDT address. You will see it. You can also scan it if you're using your phone. Click copy and then go back to your Binance. Enter the address here, select the network. So that we did this one. And now you're going to enter the amount, click withdraw, and your money will be sent to Bybit. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you next time. Bye.